Columbia University cuts 180 staffers funded by federal grants revoked by Trump administration. Trump administration pulled $400 million in federal funding from the campus in March. Columbia University announced Tuesday that it has laid off 180 members working on federal grants impacted the Trump administration's decision to revoke the university's funding. Administration cut $400 million in federal funding from Columbia in March, accusing it of the inaction in the face of the persistent harassment of Jewish students. Then it issued a list of demands to the university, which mostly acceded to start negotiations on restoring the funding. The move cut over 100 staff members was announced in a Tuesday letter from the top Columbia officials, including acting president Claire Shipman and the provost Angela V. Olinto. In the letter, the officials stated the university is engaged in a two-pronged effort to release two grants terminated by the federal government, which include restoring partnerships with government agencies and adjusting or reducing spending on. In the meantime, Columbia's leadership continues discussions with the federal government in support of resuming activities in these research awards and additional other awards that have remained active but unpaid. The letter read, "We are working on and planning for every eventually, but the strand in the meantime, financially, and our research mission is intense." University officials said that as a result of financial stress, 180 staff members who have been working on, in whole or in part, on impacted federal grants received notice of termination, non-renewal on Tuesday, and according to officials, they represent 20% of the staff funded by the grants that the Trump administration funded. Also, due to financial strain, some schools and departments will wind down activity and research infrastructure will be running lighter footprints, according to the officials. And we do not make these decisions lightly, top officials said. We are deeply committed to at Columbia and critical work of invention, innovation, and discovery. Student David Gurigis, who was at the rally, called the administration cuts of all-out attack in science and academic freedom. "We are pioneers of a biomedical research, legal research, and environmental science research, and all that got cut simply because the Trump administration had a vendetta against universities," he told NBC News. So, my thoughts about Columbia University cutting 180 staffers from the federal grants and when it got revoked was Columbia students and Columbia is already suffering enough due to the fact that the funding of the university and the fact of getting under budget is just pretty ironic, pretty crazy. It's just pretty